would be clear that angels brought me here.
Standing here before you feels like I've been born and everywhere your love, it'd be hard to speak your name. My dreams came true, right here in front of you. A miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayer.
Sino?
Could see the tenderness I feel, you would know that would be clear. The angels brought me.
Ikaw, saan mag-video?
Here to be with you. I'll be Ngawit mo sana? You can see what I see. You're the answer to my prayer.
And if you
Feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that
angels brought me here. Nice kids.
Salamat ka ba? Sanayawat mo.